Imagine a world where everybody is connected. Imagine a world where somebody in Japan can do a transaction with somebody in the United States without high banking fees. Imagine a world no longer ruled by greedy corporate banks. There's going to come a time when we think of central banks in the same way we think about calling an operator to talk to a friend on the phone. This weird, annoying entity that came between us and the things we actually wanted. You aren't going to drown in fees anymore. You aren't going to borrow money from a bank. You aren't going to fight a half a dozen middlemen. It'll just be you and your money anywhere on earth. And once this happens, cryptocurrency could very well make the US dollar obsolete. Once people understand how easy this is and get used to it, the demand for legacy money controlled by a government and bank is going to plummet like a rock. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Early Morning Crypto Talk. Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. I'm starting 30 minutes late, but it's the beginning of the week. I was on with my marketing team this morning, getting some things finalized out at the month end. So I apologize for not being on my usual time. Go ahead and type in the chat box where you're listening in from. Oh, what is my computer doing? Ooh, this might reset on me. Okay, if it does, I've got my backup up and running. So if you lose me for a second. But yeah, this one, I forgot. I was doing so much work on here. Forgot to reset it. All right, so go ahead, type in the chat box where you're listening in from. As a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor that's giving you any financial advice. I read the news, give my opinion, share a suggestion, and it is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. Yeah, my system. Wow, let's see. I think we'll be able to get through this. Just give me a second here. Then we got to close down a lot of stuff. I was busy working last night, and I've got about 30-something tabs open. 5 computer, and that's what I said. It's time for me to upgrade some new toys. I've been holding off and using money to buy more crypto. I need to keep that there. No, I can get rid of that and get rid of that. And get rid of that. Speed this baby up. Okay, and then here. Get rid of that. All right. Get rid of that. Okay, so now let me share screen. Get going. But first, what do we have here? I see Shelly Hendricks Pearson. Good morning. Jacqueline Briggs from St. Petersburg, Florida. Van from New Jersey. Marnita from Colorado. The Dagmar from Sherman Oaks. You got out of Lake Arrowhead, huh? Cold this morning. Mike from Belgium. Faye from Temecula. Joe Pringle from Gap, Pennsylvania. George Alexander from the ATL. Good morning. Okay, let's share screen and let's get into this. All right, so what's going on in the crypto world? Okay, we've got the market cap is at 1.7 trillion. That is down 0.3% the last 24 hours, pretty much flatline. So I might have to pull this back 7 days. Bitcoin dominance 39.8, Ethereum 17.3, Bitcoin's at 37,063, down 2.7%. Ethereum is at 2,500, down 2.7. Binance Coin is down 3.9. Cardano is down 4. Solana is down 4.4. Ripple's down 5.7. Polkadot 6.2. Dogecoin 3.5. Luna 11.4. Wow, Luna had a big hit going down. Avalanche down 8. Polygon down 8. Crypto.com down 5. Yeah, all these. My secondary portfolio took a major hit. Cosmos down 8.6. Huh. Tron. Best performers. Celsius Network 4.9. Chainlink 3.3. Leo, Central Land, Huobi, Helium, CRV. So yeah, my portfolios took a hit last night. Worst performers. Luna's down 11. Gala's down 11. Cadena down 10. Waves. Cosmos down 8. Matic down 8. Theta Network, Elron, Avalanche down 8. Actually, this is an opportunity because I'm going to go on a buying spree this week, and I've got a list. Yeah, I've got a list of what I'm going to be buying. Luna, Cosmos, Axie Infinity, Solana, big time Solana, CRV. But if I look at these dips, yeah, Luna price is at 44.46. When I wrote it, it was at 50. Oh yeah, that's really good buying area there. And who else did I put here? It's Cosmos up there. Cosmos is right now at 26 cents. When I wrote it down, it was at 29. Yeah. Yeah, so I need to circle which ones I know I'm going to get first. Luna, Cosmos, AXS. Just making some notes here. $52. It was at 46 when I wrote that. So it went up. Okay, so no, that's not the one I wanted to get first. Solana. Any of them that dipped the most, those are the ones I'm going to increase. It's at 96. Wow, it was at 91 when I wrote this, but I'm still big on that, so I need to circle that one. About CRV. $312. It was 286. Okay, I still need to circle that. YFI. Is this still under 30K? Yeah, still under maybe 25K. Circle YFI. All right, so I know what tokens I'm going to increase on this week. Okay, secondary portfolio. Let's double check that. Yeah, I know this took a hit. Oh, no, it's up $15. It's up $15, but I thought it took a hit. Let's see this. Crypto took a hit, but Sandbox is up 3. Luna, according to this, is up 4. How's that possible when I look here? Wait a second. Did this just switched on me? Because I saw 11% down was, huh. That was just an update. Okay, happened that fast. All right, Sandbox is up 3, Luna's up 4, Tezos is up 2, Live Peer's up 4, Maker's up 5, Beta Fuel's up 4. Ah, so it did the opposite. The Cosmos is even up 1.9. All right, go figure. What about the meme tokens? Vetter's up 3. Saitama's down 5. Wakanda is down 0.4. Toys down 0.79. And green, is up 9, but it's still like right at a little above half a penny. So yeah, I was gonna make some quick money off of this. So I need to wait and time that right. Okay, let's see what's going on in the news. I use Daily Hodls, one of my main sources. Macro Guru Rao Pal. I already know I'm going to read that. This is one of the main guys I follow. Investors bullish on Terra Luna and Polkadot predict strong rally for Ethereum. Bitcoin in demand lately, says on-chain analyst Willy Woo. Here's who's buying Bitcoin above 30,000. Okay, check that out. Multiple bomb threats at HBCUs. It gets my attention. I went to Morehouse. Breaking news. What is going on? Multiple bomb threats at HBCUs. At least 6 historically black colleges received bomb threats Monday morning. Brown, Southern, Bethune, Albany, Howard, and Delaware. Okay. I was going to see if I saw Morehouse. Bitcoin in demand lately, says on-chain analyst. So yeah, we want to look at that one. One gaming altcoin has bright future ahead of it. Absolutely, we're going to look at that one. Ethereum whale splurges on one crypto exchange token, making it top traded coin among Ethereum investors. Okay, we'll start with that. A large Ethereum whale has spent over $500 million to load up on the native asset of crypto derivatives exchange. New data from whale surveilling platform WhaleStat shows that the 105th ranked Ethereum whale purchased 15 million FTX tokens. See, I want to hear news on that in the future. Someone bought 15 million of IMC tokens. There's a transaction. Whale stats. That is Marnita put that up there. Was that a training we were doing or part of the 5-day challenge? Whalestats.com. That's a site you guys want to be familiar with if you're curious on tracking stuff going on. So FTX token is the utility of FTX, a crypto exchange derivatives trading platform for futures, leveraged tokens, and over-the-counter trading. The whale's massive transaction pushes FTT to the top of the spot of tokens that have been bought the most across the largest 1,000 Ethereum wallet in the last 24 hours. FTT towers above wrapped Ethereum, a crypto asset representing Ether at a 1-to-1 ratio, as well as stablecoin Tether and Ethereum itself, with average purchase amounts of 132,000, 42,000, and 30,000. Excluding Ethereum, FTT is now the token with the largest aggregate US dollar value among the top 1,000 Ethereum addresses. That's interesting. Overtaking popular meme coin Shiba Inu. At time of writing, the largest Ethereum whale collectively holds $1.49 billion worth of FTX tokens. Meanwhile, the same group of investors holds a total of 1.17 billion worth of SHIB. Other coins that Ethereum whales are currently holding in large amounts include stablecoins, USDC and Tether, as well as OKB, the utility token that allows traders and crypto exchange OKEX to pay for fees. OKB, that's another one that I compared with IMC. So there we go, guys. Isn't this interesting? Whenever I say I did my homework when I was trying to see what IMC could do, there's two exchanges I compared it to, FTT and OKB. And here we are in the news reading about those two tokens. If, like I said, if IMC only does 10% of this, we're good. Just 10%. If it fails by 90%, which is why I'm perplexed why a lot of people still, they're sleeping on the IMC token, at least as far as accumulating. I'm trying to accumulate as much as I possibly can. All right, next. Macro guru Raoul Pal says investors bullish on Terra Luna and Polkadot predict strong rally for Ethereum. Real Vision CEO Raoul Pal says that Ethereum is set to rally and that two altcoins, you know what? I didn't even circle Ethereum. I got it down here. It's still below 2,500. So I need to buy more. In a new interview with Altcoin Daily, the macro guru says that a number of influential people whom he considers to be important investors are bullish on decentralized finance payment network Terra Luna and interoperable blockchain Polkadot. You notice that there's a huge amount of investors who are very bullish on Terra still, including Remy, who works for me, who was a co-founder of Real Vision and works for Global Macro Investor. He's a big investor in that space, loves it, and a lot of people are. A lot of people that I think are very important investors in the space are very bullish on Polkadot still, and they have been for a long time. It's never really done what everybody expected it to do, but again, you've got to keep your mind open to these things, or it could be something else. Something else comes out of the blue, finds a different use case, and before you know it, so it's really hard to trade this kind of stuff. Powell also shares his 2022 forecast for Ethereum. He says the leading smart contract platform is still the greatest trade in the world. I still think we actually got a strong run to come. I think this kind of year-long sideways correction that we've essentially had is just a springboard to further gains as more adoption rolls out, more use cases roll out, etc., etc. I still think, risk-adjusted, Ethereum will do extremely well over time. The reason why it's expensive to use is because it's so damn popular. It's like a chain of prestige now for those to be built on because it is the more decentralized of all of the other layer ones. So it makes sense to me. I think with the change towards Ethereum 2.0 coming as well, I think that narrative will build over time as well. So I still think the upside in Ethereum is massive. In terms of market cap, where it could go, it could still go another 10x from here in terms of market cap alone. Over what period of time, who knows? Okay, this last paragraph is very important. A whole lot was said here in a couple of sentences. And when you read billionaires don't say things publicly just to say them. They know that whatever comes out of their mouth can impact their business, their shareholders, the market. So they're very calculated on what they say that is being recorded. So I always read things like a lawyer, like in between the lines here. This whole paragraph tells me that he is very, very big on Ethereum over all else. And we already know that he has his largest portfolio is not Bitcoin. Most of his portfolio is in Ethereum. And now you're going to get an insight as to why that is. One, he says it's popular, it's prestigious, it's decentralized. Ethereum 2.0 is coming, so he's accumulating for this because he expects when this hits, it speeds things up and the transaction cost of Ethereum comes down. More people will be using the platform. More businesses that are running to Binance right now and the others will come right back to Ethereum. I think the narrative will build. There's another thing he's not a get rich guy. Well, he's already rich, but over time, I still think the upside is massive. Not a little bit, massive. He still thinks it can go up another 10x. But then this is but I don't know when. Who knows when? But he doesn't care when. He just knows it's going to happen. So yeah, I need to make sure my Ethereum is getting strong. Okay. Next up. Bitcoin in demand lately, says on-chain analyst Willie Woo. Here's who's buying Bitcoin above. Why did I close that out? I wanted to. I'll pull it back up. I want to quote that. Here's who's buying Bitcoin above $30,000. Closely followed on-chain analyst Willie Woo says that an inconspicuous group of Bitcoin investors may be generating a new wave of strong demand for Bitcoin. Wu tells his 980,000 Twitter followers that he's looking at the exchange net flows metric, which tracks the amount of Bitcoin moving in and out of the exchanges. According to Wu, the metric is currently showing the dominance of exchange outflows, indicating a rise in demand and the willingness of investors to hold on to their Bitcoin while waiting for the flagship crypto asset to rally. Yeah, you think? I guess Bitcoin is in demand lately. Wu also says that based on the amount of coins moving into the hands of whales or entities with 1,000 to 10,000 Bitcoin, he thinks institutions are likely but behind the buying power. In layman's terms, all the broke people who are uneducated and saw the market drop and start panicking and screaming bloody murder are selling, while the big boys and girls are buying it up. Probably institutional money. Yep, they're buying it up. Why? Because they're buying it cheap. While all the broke people bought it expensive. The popular analyst says he uses data from blockchain tracker Glassnode to accommodate for factors like exchanges and exchange-traded funds to get a more accurate picture. According to Glassnode, the balance of Bitcoin on exchanges is currently at the lowest point in the last 3 years, suggesting diminishing sell-side pressure for Bitcoin. Bitcoin balance on exchanges just reached a 3-year low of 2.5 million. That's a 3-year low, really? So all of the other tokens are sitting in private wallets. Previous 3-year lows of 2.5 million was observed on January 27, 2022. In addition, Glassnode says that the vast majority of all transfer volume on the Bitcoin network is dominated by institutional-sized flows, suggesting that the big players are starting to take control of Bitcoin. Bitcoin transfer volumes continue to be dominated by institutional-sized flows, with more than 65% of all transactions being larger than $1 million in value. The uptrend in institutional dominance in on-chain volume started around October 2020, when prices were around $10,000 to $11,000. Interesting. Okay. Layman's terms: broke people sold, rich people bought. One gaming altcoin has a bright future ahead of it. All right, which one is this? Do we already have it? The host of the crypto channel Coin Bureau is giving a long-term bullish forecast for an Ethereum-based gaming token. In a new video, the analyst known as Guy says he's closely watching Engine Coin. Yes, we do have it. An interconnected blockchain-based gaming platform that possesses smart contract capabilities. Guy highlights ENJ's wide token distribution, which he says makes the crypto asset less susceptible to a crash triggered by a singular entity. According to Etherscan, there are currently over 162,000 unique addresses holding ENJ. This is a significantly wider token distribution when compared to the likes of the Sandbox, which has just over 100,000 unique holders and more than double Engine's market cap at this point in time. All this means is that Engine has less of its token supply being concentrated in a limited number of wallets. This makes it potentially harder for a larger wallet to acquire a disproportionate amount of ENJ and subsequently dump it. The analyst also says that while there are a lot of factors that can influence the price potential of ENJ, he notes two recent developments that make him long-term bullish on the project. When it comes to the price potential of ENJ, this will depend on the amount of adoption that the Engine ecosystem manages to acquire in blockchain gaming and NFT spheres, as well as the status of the partnerships it might establish in the future. However, despite it being very early days for blockchain gaming and NFTs, the future does indeed look pretty bright for Engine. Its jump net scaling solution and its Polkadot-based parachain Affinity. Affinity is a cross-chain network designed to facilitate the pricing and exchange of NFTs. Meanwhile, JumpNet is an Ethereum scaling solution that allows instant, secure, and free on-chain transactions for NFTs and ENJ. Guy also adds that he's confident in the potential of Engine Coin due to another key fundamental factor. What is that? Engine still constitutes a pioneering force in the gaming and NFT domain, and it's assembled a pretty strong team of leading architects and developers over the years. This makes me think that Engine could be here to stay for quite some time, and I will definitely keep my eyes peeled for any exciting developments coming out of the Engineverse in the future. Engineverse, I haven't heard that term before, like metaverse. But what I will do is I'm going to put down for the last day of the month buy more ENJ. And what is the current price right now? $1.86. Since I'm going to be making some big purchases this week, one of the things I need to decide is, do I split it amongst 5, 6, 7 coins, or do I go big on just 1 or 2 or 3 coins? So I need to figure that one out, how I want to do that. All right. And that is it for Crypto Talk. I need to go back and find that one article of Raoul Pal because I want to quote that. Tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific, we will be having a recap of the People's Money 5-Day Challenge from last week. We're going to have a recap. We'll also have some big announcements that we're going to be making. Congratulations to those that won free Bitcoin last week. Who likes free stuff, right? Do you know Lucky Block? Says no why. No, I do not know Lucky Block. Haven't heard of that one. But we're doing a recap tonight for an hour. I'm actually going to also have on one of my developers behind the scenes. I asked them to make some things happen that previously was not possible, and they made happen for you guys. So you'll be able to be a part of that. Also, you can now, we're getting ready for the next 5-day challenge. So probably starting tomorrow, you'll be able to register for February's 5-day challenge. If you are a VIP and above, you still need to register. You just don't have to pay the $97 to be a VIP. But you still need to register because it's going to be, this is a new challenge. So it's going to be a new Facebook group and all that stuff. So you need to register for that still. But this time, As a VIP, you are also can be a promoter. Share with others. If you felt that you got good experience, some good value, you want to share with others to be a part of the February 5-day challenge. And if they upgrade to VIP, guess what? I'm going to pay you. In fact, how much am I paying out? Thousands of dollars already in payouts to promoters from this past one. And we just got started. So I want to pay out money. Who wants the money? Share it with others. And what else can I say now that, oh yeah, you can still become, hey, let me stop sharing real quick and make sure I can pull this up. You can get access to the courses that I'm doing my first online course. That's going to take place on February 15th. I'll be doing it twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday night. Good morning, Maria. Tuesday and Thursday night for 2 hours. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, let me share screen again. All right. So if you go to ILCAchallenge.com, IACAchallenge.com, lifetime pass and VIP, the People's Money Challenge. So click on, oh yeah, this is for the VIP. Yeah, this is for the VIP for the next month. I'm talking about the courses. Yeah, this one here. So we have the courses. If you go to ilcachallenge.com/founding member pricing, and this is just for the VIPs though, because you got to put in your email address if you're a VIP. There's a $29.97 value that VIPs are getting for $9.97, and you have options. You can pay the $9.97 up front, or you can do the pay plan. 2-month pay plan or 3-month pay plan. 2-month pay plan is $550. 3-month pay plan is $400 for 3 months. And you've got this. So that's the pay plan. And those of you who are previous students of mine, meaning you've purchased my crypto courses before. Okay, you've purchased my crypto courses before in one of my clients or directly from my 3-course crypto site. You get half off, but you need to send me a message and I will send you a special link so that you get it at half off. Now, please understand this. I am not paying out commissions on people paying half price for the courses. So if you refer somebody because you're a promoter and they get the $500, there's no commission payout on that. It's only on the $97 and the $9.97 and above. Okay. But I want to make sure that all those who got my previous courses before are not paying for it again. They're paying for the new stuff. And when I say new stuff, what are we talking about there? New stuff. And so that's special founding member prices. Yeah. What are we talking about? New stuff? Well, I've told you guys about DeFi. We're going to have NFTs. We're going to have Metaverse. The goal is 15 videos in each. But that's not it. Also, Internet of Things, smart contracts, at least 5 more courses. 5 more courses. Do you guys want to? How many people's on here? Maybe I can give you a sneak peek. Hold on, let me stop sharing the screen. I might give you a sneak peek. Let's see what I can pull up here. if you guys want to see a sneak peek. Because I think this is cool. All right, yeah, let me pull this up. Share screen. Sneak peek. So I pays to be a part of Crypto Talks. Here's a sneak peek, for example. Crypto trading strategies. Just what I found online. Oh, my phone's talking to me. Sneak peek. And then we've got a lot more than this. How to trade on Bittrex. Introduction to crypto economics. Where to buy Bitcoin. All right, that was just a quick sneak peek. So we've got a lot coming, plus 2 classes, plus I will be doing Crypto Talks like I'm doing this morning, but I will be doing them just for the VIPs. So that's also going to be coming as well. And we're going to have swag. We're going to be having t-shirts, mugs, hats, stuff like that. We're going to have a lot of fun in this process. And then when you guys see the website no, I can't do the sneak peek on that one yet. Some things I need to finish. When you see the website, when you actually log in to go through the courses, it is really cool setup. I mean, it's set up like a university's online courses and things like that. So this is going to be an exciting ride. We're going to have a lot of fun doing this. And we also are looking for testimonials. Anybody that went through the 5-day challenge and you like what you got from it, even for free, you're not even a VIP. I'm looking for testimonials. Please send over to Marnita, my assistant. Please send over to Marnita either a short video, like Sherry completed one. Thank you, Sherry, if Sherry's listening, or a written, like a paragraph or so, like a testimony on the 5-day challenge. All right, guys, that is it. I've got a lot to do today. It's a little over 9 o'clock. And I will see you all tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. Have some very, very recap and good information. And I'm actually going to share my story. You heard testimonials from everybody else last week. You're going to hear mine tonight. So take care, everybody. Bitcoin Brandon out. Stay safe. Bye-bye.